Hello guys, this is Kapil Gautam and today we will discuss on an important topic of physics which is motion. Today all those questions which is related to motion are solved out, and after that video you will find all those answers which is related about to what is actually motion, how can we determine any object is in motion or not, what are the types of motion, etc. So let's start our concept that what is motion. Any object is said to be in motion if it changes its position. Keep in mind what is that word, position, with respect to time and with respect to a reference point. Keep in mind those three words: position, time and reference point. So let's find out actual meaning of those three words. What is position? Position, any object has its own position or its present condition. Actually, what is its present condition is said to be its position. After that, with respect to time and with respect to a reference point. A reference point is the point by which we can compare the position of any object. So reference point is the point at which we have to compare the actual position of the given object. Any object is on either in motion or either in rest. The position of rest is actually opposite to the position of motion. What is rest? If any object does not changes, here we find that the object changes its position, and in position of rest we find that it does not changes its position with respect to time and a reference point. So keep in mind that any object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to time or a reference point. For example, if any vehicle which changes its position with respect to time and with respect to any pole, you already know that what is actually pole. So if a vehicle changes its position with respect to pole which is static, always keep in mind that position of any object is compared with respect to a reference point, and the reference point is said to be in static condition. So always remember that static point is actually called here the reference point. So if a vehicle changes its position with respect to a pole, vehicle is said to be in motion. On other side, if the vehicle does not changes its position with respect to pole which is static, then we can say that the vehicle is in rest. We can find that in case of motion, the object must have some speed or velocity, and in case of rest, object has speed or velocity which is equal to 0. Here the value of speed or velocity is never be 0. It can be positive. So in case of motion, we can find that position of any object changes with respect to time and with respect to a reference point. And in case of rest, the position of object does not changes with respect to time and with respect to a reference point. Reference point is actually defined that the point we know about that. The point we know about that is called reference point, and after that comparison we can find the actual condition, actual position of any object it is in motion or it is in rest. A motion is said to be rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion if it follows the straight line path. If straight line path is followed by the object, the motion is called rectilinear motion. In case of motion, an object must travel some distance, and the distance has the units meter. In larger scale, distance is measured in kilometer and written